Collegiate Tower Bristol, ideally situated at Rupert St Bristol BS1 UK, is a prime choice for student accommodation in the city. Offering an array of room types such as bronze studio, gold studio, silver 2-bed apartment, and gold 2-bed apartment, it caters to diverse student preferences. Each room features a soft bed with underbed storage, a study desk with drawers and an overhead shelf, a spacious wardrobe, and a private, well-equipped bathroom. The shared kitchen boasts all the necessary appliances for culinary creativity. Residents can enjoy playing in the games room, catching the latest films in the cinema room, or working out in the gym. The club lounge provides you with a relaxing space to unwind with your friends. With a high student population from prestigious institutions like the University of Bristol and BIMM Bristol, the city is synonymous with educational excellence. Located in a bustling neighborhood, Collegiate Tower Bristol is surrounded by numerous restaurants, cafes, and bars. Students can grab takeout from the Gourmet Cafe and Kebab, have dinner at Mingle's Bar and Restaurant, or celebrate at the Nickel Bar and the Palmer's Rest, J.D. Wetherspoon. On weekends, explore tourist attractions like the British Museum and Buckingham Palace. Choose Collegiate Tower Bristol as your home away from home and book your spot at amberstudent.com today.